Now let's look at a typical word problem involving statistics. The age of K professors in a university is 65 years. Two professors whose ages are 66 and 68 years left the service, and the mean age reduced by 2 years. Roman figure 1. How many professors are in the university? That's what we are considered to find in the first part. So from that statement, from this question, we can clearly say that we are to find the amount of K, or the value of K, because K tells us the age of the amount of professors in that university. You can see the age of K professors. So if you can get the value of K, then that corresponds to the amount of professors in the university. Now, as you can clearly see, if you digest this question properly, you will observe that it's referencing to the mean. Now, from our knowledge in mean, we know that the mean is equal to the summation of x over n, where x is the distribution, which in this case is the age of the professors, while n is the amount of the distribution, which in this case is the amount of professors, which is simply K. So now, the mean is given to us as 65 years in the first place. So definitely 65 would be equal to the summation of the ages of the professors. So let it be summation of x. Let's leave it like that, summation of x. But since this age, this is summation of a, the addition of the ages of all the professors in that school or in that university. Perfect. Now divided by n, we say it corresponds to the value of k, which is the amount of professors in the university. So I will write k instead. Now let this be equation 1. Perfect. Or if let's linearize it. Now we can clearly say that if we multiply k by both sides, 65k would be equals to the summation of a, equation 1. Perfect. Now they proceed forward and says that two professors whose ages are 66 and 68 years left the service, and when they left the service, the mean age of the professors reduced by 2 years. So what does it mean next sense? It means that when 68 and 66 is subtracted from the summation of the ages of the professors, then x bar is no more 65, but now reduced by 2, which will become 63. Now, if x bar should reduce and summation of the ages also reduce, definitely the amount of professors in the university will also reduce because 2 of them has left. So what will be our new setup? Our new setup will now be x bar will not be 65 anymore, but it will now be 63 equals. Now summation of a, this is for the entire professors that was in the school before, but now 2 of them has left, and this is their corresponding ages. So definitely we now have the summation of a minus the first one 66 minus the second one 68. So this will help us to have the summation of the leftover professors' ages. Yes, it will be left with the summation of the acting and the current professors. Then divided by, now this won't be n anymore, or k. It's now become k minus 2. That is total number of professors minus the 2 of them that left. Now just like before, let's solve for summation of a as well. So if we multiply both sides by k minus 2, this is how we now have 63 multiplied by k minus 2 to be equals to the summation of a. We just leave that down. Now minus 66 minus 68, what would that be? That gives us minus 134. Perfect. Now let's expand this parenthesis. 63 times k gives us 63k. Now 63 times negative 2 gives us negative 126 equals to the summation of a minus 134. Now if we add 134 to both sides, can clearly say that 63k minus 126 plus 134 is now equal to the summation of A. Perfect. Now we're out of space, we can entirely get rid of this. So therefore, we can clearly say that 63, let me write it there, 63k, now minus 126 plus 134, minus 126 plus 134, that provides 8. So we have plus 8 equals to the summation of A. Now since summation of A, we get that be equation 2. Now we can clearly say that from equation 1 and equation 2, same value is equal to different expression. You can see summation of A is equal to this, and at the same time over here summation of A is equal to this. So we can set them to be equal. So since equation 1 is equal to equation 2, then 63k plus 8 would be equals to 65k. Now if I subtract 63k from both sides, I have 8 to be equals to 65k minus 63k, and I have 8 to be equals to 2k. Now dividing through by 2, k gives us 8 over 2, which is 4. So this is the amount of professors in the university. So with this we can answer Roman figure 1. How many professors are in the university? We have 4 professors in the university. And that is the answer to number Roman figure 1. Now what about Roman figure 2? Find the total age of all the professors. That's the summation of A. Now since we have the value of k, either equation 2 or equation 1 can be used to find the summation or the total ages of all the professors. So let's use equation 2. So the total ages of all the professors, which is the summation of A, is equal to 63 times 4 plus 8. And if I use my calculator for that, we have 63 times 4 gives us 252. We add 8 to it, we have 260. So the sum of age of the professors is simply 260 years. And that is the answer to Roman figure 2 as well. Now, what about Roman figure 3? What do you think? Well, kindly use that as an exercise. Feel free to share your solution via the comment section below. What will be the sum of the ages of the acting professors? What do you think? Let me know via the comment section below. Thank you. I hope you find this helpful and understandable. Bye for now.